Hi guys, welcome to Box Office India. This is Anita and we have Saqib Salim joining us today. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, good morning, good night for some people. सबका schedule हिला हुआ है, so I don't know how to greet everybody.
Did you just wake up?
I woke up about half an hour ago. Yes. So I took a shower. I had to look presentable for Box Office India. And जैसी मैं आया, वैसी मैंने देखा Box Office India live जा चुका है. मैं कह रहा हूँ बहुत punctual हो गया Box Office India. 1:30 बोला, 1:29 पे live चला.
Yes, you have always been on time. So you tell me, how is quarantine treating you?
जैसा सबको ट्रीट कर रहा है यार, मतलब मैं भी घर पे बैठा हूँ, मैं भी थोड़े बहुत घर के काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm just getting to spend some time with my sister. और क्या कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारी I finished Money Heist the other day. अब मैंने एक नया शो है पंचायत, वो देखना शुरू किया है. Saw Special Ops. So I've been watching a lot of things. I've started writing after a very long time. I used to write when I was in college. But कोई बिलीव नहीं करता मुझे देख के कि मैं लिख भी सकता हूँ. But मैं लिखता हूँ दोस्तों, मैं लिखता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत लिखता हूँ. जिस दिन कुछ अच्छा लिखूंगा जरूर आपको सुनाऊंगा. But I've gotten into the habit of writing again, so which is nice. तो अच्छा है यार, interesting है, but difficult है. But this is the need of the hour. We all got to stay in and stay positive. And yeah, this will get over soon hopefully. आप बताइए, आप कैसे हैं यार? आप तो फुल तैयार होके आए हैं, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि स्टूडियो में शूट कर रहे हैं. Is that an aquarium behind you?
Yes.
Oh, you have what? How many fishes do you have?
3.
यार मुझे ना फिशेस का लॉजिक नहीं समझ आता. I understand they're beautiful, but to have them as a pet, when you can't even touch them, you can't even pet them, you can't even. How do you connect with fishes? Like with dogs, with cats, with birds, people form a connection, no? Like my dog, I have a dog, I have a black Labrador, Streak. वो 24 घंटे मेरे पे चढ़ा रहता है. तो एक ह्यूमन कनेक्शन, मतलब एक फिजिकल कनेक्शन बन गया है. वी कैन टच ईच अदर, वी कैन प्ले विद ईच अदर. बट आई एम जस्ट वेरी फैसिनेटेड कि फिश से पेट, अगर फिश आपका पेट है तो हाउ कैन, व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप यू हैव विद द फिश?
No, it just gives a good feeling. I have a pet also. I have my small Shih Tzu with me. He's
Oh,
just 3
lovely.
months
Can I
old.
see? Can I see?
Yeah.
Where is the Shih Tzu? Oi! That's so cute. What's his name?
Yes. Bud.
Like Buddy का short Bud.
Budweiser का Bud.
अरे देखा, ऐसी बातें मत करो. ऐसी बातें मत करो. कुछ लोग जलेंगे कि हम बडवाइजर की बातें कर रहे हैं. बहुत लोगों को मजबूरी रहेगी इस देश में भी.
So he gives me company. He is like a big relief for me right now at home. It's fun.
But how are you doing in terms of are you stepping out for groceries? Are you?
Yes,
What is the procedure your building is following? Have they locked down the building? Are they not letting people enter, exit? What is happening?
Yeah, so no one is allowed inside. No maids, no delivery guys, no one. So I have to go to the market. The other day I went to the market. It was damn difficult because the cops had made us stand in a big queue. By the time we entered inside, it was shut. All the shops.
अरे मैं उस दिन गया यार, बाहर लोगों की लड़ाई हो गई यार. वो लड़ रहे हैं यार. I wanted to tell people कि guys, we are all in this together. चीज खत्म हो गई है या सिर्फ एक ही चीज बची है. I saw 2 people fighting for like a carton of milk the other day, and I just wanted to go and hug them and tell them, guys, it's all right. But then I realized social distancing, hug bug नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं. मैंने थोड़ा समझाने की कोशिश की, but I felt like people have to understand themselves that we have to behave with one another, we have to be cordial with one another. Trying and testing time for everybody यार. मतलब किसी ने expect नहीं किया था ऐसा कुछ होगा. तो I think we got to understand this is also a time where the human race tries to understand themselves better. तो थोड़ा यार दिक्कत है, but I feel like if we do this the way the government wants us to do it, if we stay locked down, your Wi-Fi is a little weak.
Now can you hear me?
हाँ जी बताइए. I can hear you, but your visual is getting slightly blurred.
Is it better now? Okay. So I wanted to know, what were you writing? What are you writing?
Yeah, how do I say this? I just write thoughts, random observations. I've tried my hand at writing scripts, but I think it's a specialized skill, and I'll need some more time to become better at writing scripts, to understanding the 3-act structure. So I've been reading a lot about how to write a screenplay. So yeah, I'm just trying to train myself. Yeah, we have this time to ourselves. तो मैं जो भी कुछ सीख सकता हूँ मैं करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I'm very happy that I started writing again. It is a stress buster. It is a stress buster just to jot down things that you feel. Sometimes, you know, तुम्हारे दिमाग में इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं, बट तुम उसको कभी बोलते नहीं हो तो वो खो जाती है. So it's a good exercise for me to put my thoughts into words and put them down on paper, so that however good, bad, or whatever it is, it's out there. So I think it's extremely important here to use your energies in the right way. This is a time where one can sit at home, get depressed, eat a lot of junk food, put on a lot of weight. But I keep telling people कि भैया ये खत्म तो होना ही है. The whole world is facing it. We will defeat this sooner or later. We will find a vaccine sooner or later. फिर क्या? फिर तुम 10 महीने लगाओगे वापस पतला होने में, फिर ये करने में, अपना ध्यान रखने में. I feel like अपना ध्यान हमेशा रखना चाहिए. You need to take care of your health, of your mind, of your close ones all the time. You can't be like अच्छा अब तो लॉकडाउन है, हम 21-22 दिन, एक महीना कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हम एक काउच से नहीं हिलेंगे. यार वो भी करना बहुत important है कभी कभी. You just want to sit at one place, watch TV. That is also good, but that is not the only thing you can do. There are so many things. I try and keep myself busy. I love fitness. तो मैं बहुत अब मैं जिम नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ, बहुत परेशान हूँ मैं. So I try and make interesting workouts. I watch a lot of people online. I try and I'm like, keep yourself busy यार. मतलब कोई फिल्म देखी, उसके बारे में पढ़ लो, थोड़ा पता चल जाएगा क्या उसकी हिस्ट्री है फिल्म की, क्या नहीं है. कुछ किताब पढ़ लो. I've been reading this book on Muhammad Ali, The Greatest Story Ever Told. It's a beautiful book. So yeah, in these trying, testing times, all you got to do is motivate yourself. Because सभी लो हैं यार. कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो बहुत हाई फील कर रहा है अभी. आप मतलब this is the first time I think in the industry that all the actors are at the same level. The big superstars and the younger actors like us, we are all out of work. we don't know when is the next time we'll go shoot, right? So we have no idea about that. So we can, one way is to be depressed about it and be like, oh damn, मैं काम कब करूँगा अगली बार. But the other way is like, I will create some work for me. Sitting at home, I will look within and try and figure out what is it that I really like doing. Like I love watching stand-up comedy. I would want to do stand-up comedy once in my life, just for kicks. So I've started writing something on those lines. So yeah, I'm trying. मतलब it is all about keeping yourself busy. मतलब अपने आप को engage करना बहुत जरूरी है. Because वो क्या कहते हैं कि अगर आप मतलब I don't want to become mentally dead यार sitting at home. It is very easy in this time to become that, to not think about things and just lay there, watch TV, eat food. But yeah, it is a struggle every day. Every day, some days you really feel low. Some days you really feel like यार कैसे होगा यार, ये कैसे कब खत्म होगा, क्या होगा. But then you got to tell yourself कि you're not alone in this. सब face कर रहे हैं भाई. So chin up and face it. And when all this is over, then me and you can meet in person and do this interview. So we have to be hopeful about that. अरे जो होगा अच्छा होगा यार. दुनिया तो चलेगी, जिंदगी तो चलेगी. कुछ ना कुछ तो ऊपर वाले ने सोच के मतलब this is मतलब there are too many ways to look at it. Of course, there's a scientific way to look at it, that this is a virus. No religion can save it. We got to find a vaccine. But I believe in Bhagwan, Allah, Jesus, whatever, the superpower. That of course this is his way of Mother Earth's way of telling us that hello, you've really taken me for granted. This is my way of trying to tell you that I'm going to set this whole motion into you're going to restart now. So now I see the skyline so beautiful, birds chirping. I've been seeing pictures, the dolphins are back. Of course, I've seen some memes also कि अरे बैंड्रा से अब हिमालय दिखने लग गया है, skyline is so clean. So yeah, it's nice.
There are
It's
peacocks
nice
dancing on the
that
street.
people are trying to look at the positive of it and not trying to think कि यार अब हम घर से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे हैं. So it's a struggle, but every day is a struggle, and we'll get through it.
So have you tried your hands at cooking?
वो एक काम है, उसमें ना मैं थोड़ा फेल हूँ. मैं ना जब बचपन में मैंने एक हरकत कर दी थी, उसके बाद से मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे दिमाग में डर बिठा दिया कि बेटा किचन तेरे बस का आइटम नहीं. So my mother had gone out when I was younger, about 12-13 years old. तो मैं ना कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना चाहता था किचन में, तो मैंने दूध में नींबू निचोड़ दिया. तो दूध तो फट जाता है. मुझे लगा मैं कुछ लेमनी और मिल्की सी कोई ड्रिंक बना दूंगा, उसमें मैंने रूह अफ़ज़ा, शक्कर, बादाम, थोड़ा सा नींबू. अब मैं पी रहा हूँ and I can't have a sip. Like it's disgusting. Okay, but I have made it. I was about 12-13, so I was damn excited about it. तो मेरे घर में मेरे से लोग इतना प्यार करते हैं कि उन्होंने नाक बंद करके एक एक घूंट पी के वो खत्म कर दिया. बट माय मदर टोल्ड मी दैट डे, लाइक बेटा कुछ भी करना बट गलत फहमी मत पालना. तुम्हारा हाथ तुम हो जरूर एक परिवार से जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में, बट उस परिवार में ना कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो खाना चख के बता सकते हैं कि खाना अच्छा है कि नहीं, कि इसमें क्या कमी है. तुम उस कैटेगरी में. बट आई समटाइम्स ट्राई. आई कैन मेक लाइक एन ऑमलेट. I can flip an omelette. 4 out of 10 times I can flip an omelette. बाकी 6 टाइम वो अंडा भुर्जी बन जाती है. I can make a very nice cold coffee. I specialize in that. I put a lot of chocolate and stuff, Nutella and stuff. I can make Maggie. It's very difficult, to make Maggie. But 2 मिनट में बन जाती है, तो मैं मैगी भी बना लेता हूँ. तो हूँ मैं बना लेता हूँ. बाकी मेरी बहन है जो मुझसे बहुत प्यार करती है, वो मेरे लिए dal chawal, chicken. She's really been trying to cook stuff, looking for recipes, talking to mom. I try and help her in the kitchen as much as I can, wash dishes, clean it up after the chef has cooked the meal. I clean it up and stuff. So yeah, I've been trying to do what I can do, because हर बंदे का skill set अलग होता है. तो I think cooking का department घुमा गए, मैं साफ सफाई में better हूँ.
Right. So Saket, we're going to see you in 83. Talk about 83.
क्या बात करनी है 83 यार, बताओ.
Can you tell me how was your experience? You are such a brilliant actor.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
There is nothing I would say that would do justice to the fact that what I felt like while shooting the film. It is, we always keep saying it's not a film, it's an emotion. The emotion all of us felt while shooting this film. A film that celebrates India's first World Cup victory. Shooting in all the locations that we were, whether at Lords, whether at Turnbridge Wells, whether at the Kia Oval, shooting with, being in contact with people like Kapil Dev, Jimmy Amarnath, Viv Richards, Balwinder Singh Sandhu, Clive Lloyd. Like it was like हम उनसे ऐसे बात कर रहे थे जैसे मैं और आप बात कर रहे हैं. मैं उनसे कुछ भी पूछ सकता था यार. And I'm a huge cricket buff. Before I became an actor, all I wanted to do was play cricket for India. And I played some state level cricket, but वो सपना कभी पूरा नहीं हुआ. वो सपना इस पिक्चर ने पूरा कर दिया. There is nothing that this film has done something else to me emotionally. It has changed me as a person. That whole experience of shooting the film for about 100 days, 90 days in London, about 10-12 days here, has just changed me as a person. It is next level here. It is next level. I really want, of course, अभी तक if things were fine, अभी तक film release हो चुकी होती, लोग देख चुके होते, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ. We all are facing this pandemic, but I feel whenever the time is right, whenever everything gets back to normal, whenever life is back to where it left us, we'll show you the film, yaar. I'm really excited for people to watch it. It's a lovely, lovely, beautiful film, yaar. It's got everything. It's got emotions. It's got comedy. It's got a lot of sporting action. It's a beautiful underdog story, and it was lovely to work with Kabir sir, Ranveer, Jatin, Nishant, Hardy, Amy, all the boys, Pankaj sir. मतलब it's an experience I can never forget. मतलब अगर मैं अपने ऊपर किताब लिखूंगा उसमें एक चैप्टर 83 होगा. It is that important to me.
So it was a life-changing film for you. Do you think that?
Yes, 100% यार. Experience wise तो life changing. मतलब कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि ऐसा हो जाएगा कि I was doing a film about 4 years ago called Dishum. I was playing a cricketer in that, and the coach of the cricketing team in the film was Mohinder Amarnath. 4 years down the line, I get to play him in a film that was celebrating the 1983 World Cup victory. So I remember meeting him 4 years ago when we were shooting that film, when we were shooting Dishum. I ate his head. I kept asking him questions. Sir, Michael Holding की ball कितनी तेज आती थी? वो आप hook shot मारते थे तो कैसे मारते थे? And not knowing that 4 years down the line, there'll be a film called 83, which will be about the 83 World Cup, where I'll be playing the vice captain of the team, Mohinder Amarnath. So I keep telling people that my prep started 4 years ago. When I was shooting Dishum, I was prepping for 83 because Mohinder Amarnath मुझे तब मिल गए थे. But life is just strange sometimes to tell you. It tells you so many things in so many different ways. Yeah, I don't know what connection happened there. So for this film to happen, it just sometimes I think and I feel like यार ये कैसे हो गया? मतलब है ना कोई एनर्जी तो है जो ये सारी चीजों को मोशन में लाती है.
So how was working with Ranveer and his energy?
Baba is a live wire. Baba is a live wire.
Did he rub on you?
Huh?
Did his nature and his energy rub on you?
Matlab, there is no way that Baba goes somewhere and he doesn't rub off on people. He's a love bunny. You know what a love bunny is? He just goes everywhere and gives love to everybody. Yeah. And his love is so unbiased that it's not like कि एक के साथ ज़्यादा है, एक के साथ कम है. वो it's a beautiful quality to have as a human being that wherever you go, you make the other person feel so good about themselves that their confidence improves. Like he will come whenever we are doing a scene, he'd come and he'd talk to you as if this scene is only about you and what you should be. Matlab, he's a very invested actor. To be collaborating with him, and he's a very, how do I put this? He's a very selfless actor. Like there's so many times he would tell you that, Arey, you can improvise this line here. He gives lines to other actors. He tells and he's always invested. It doesn't matter if an actor has a line in the scene or not, but he's invested 100%. I had a great time. Besides shooting, I think I bonded with him a lot. We had so many chats and so many conversations that I can't mention on the live. But he's a sweetheart. He's a sweetheart.
So who did you bonded more with? Any one particular person did you bond
with? पता है ये film ना by design it's so interesting that it's got so many actors. It's got 13 boys, 13 legit parts in the film, and everybody is important. There's Pankaj sir also. Of course, there are other characters in the film, but these 13 boys were together. We've been together for the last year and a half. So to pinpoint and be like, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा close उससे हूँ. मतलब I can't say that. I love Jiva. I love Annie. I love Hardy. I love Jatin. I love Ranveer. I love Tahir. All these boys, Dinkar, Nishant. I can't pinpoint यार. It's like saying यार तुम अपने सारे भाई बहनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा किससे प्यार करते हो? You have your days with your siblings. No, one day you really bond with one sibling, and the other day, so it was like a family. It was like a family. We would hang out every day. We would have breakfast, lunch, dinner all together. कभी-कभी तो एक दूसरे को अपने हाथों से खिला देते थे. तो मतलब ज़्यादा प्यार हो गया था. तो कभी-कभी बोलना पड़ता था, bro, calm down ना, bro. ज़्यादा प्यार हो रहा है.
Right. Can you remember anything that you have done together? All the 13 boys, the most funniest.
Sorry?
Not funniest, but the most weirdest thing that you have done together.
I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking, Baba.
Have you done anything weird? All 13 boys.
13 boys? Yeah.
All the boys together.
But
have you done anything?
You have to realize that there are 13 boys together. So there's going to be a lot of banter. Like leg pulling and calling each other things. Like not fighting with one another, but एक दूसरे को थोड़ा सा उंगली करना, थोड़ा सा परेशान करना. That would happen all the time. We were on a cricket field for 45 days playing cricket. In the heat, we were just having a good time. We would just sometimes gang up on one particular person, sometimes gang up on one particular person. So we also we have a lot of Punjabi boys in the team. There's Amy, there's Hardy, there's Sahil. I am from Delhi. Nishant is from Delhi. Jatin speaks Punjabi. So Ranveer is very good with Punjabi. But there were few players who were from Chennai. Like there's Jiva, there is Badri, who don't understand Punjabi. They speak Hindi but don't understand Punjabi. By the end of the film, it felt like everybody knew Punjabi. Because when we started out, because Amy Hardy would crack a joke in Punjabi and all of us would get it. The boys from Chennai wouldn't. But by the end of the film, the boys from Chennai got the Punjabi joke bang on.
Wow.
So I think हमने काफी हमारी बॉन्डिंग हो गई यार. हम काफी एक दूसरे के बड़े करीब आ गए थे.
So apart from medicine, what else were you working on?
So I thankfully, मतलब right before the lockdown, I'd finished a series with Voot called Crackdown. It's a series directed by Apurva Lakhia. So I'd done that, and I was about to start shooting something on the 17th of April. What is the date today?
15th, right? 15th. Today's
2 दिन में मैं कुछ शूट करने वाला था, but अब पता नहीं indefinitely push हो गया. But I finished that series. That should be out in about a couple of months, 3 months maybe, because there's some post work, some dubbing left. So as and when we can finish dubbing and stuff for it, it'll come out.
So I had told all your fans that we are going to do a small fun round with you called What I Eat in a Day.
What I eat in a day?
Yes.
अरे
So from the beginning-
बहुत कचरा खाता हूँ मैं यार.
Yes. So we are going to do that. So my first question is, what is the first thing that you eat when you wake up?
Black coffee, or maybe a digestive biscuit with it, but black coffee is what I have. Like I woke up a while back, this is my black coffee and this is my digestive biscuit right next to. झूठ नहीं बोलता है मैं यार, मैं सच्चा आदमी.
What about lunch? What it comprises of?
यार आजकल क्या हो गया है, लंच डिनर शाम का नाश्ता सब ना थोड़ा मिक्स हो गया. It depends what time I've slept in the night. Like last night, as much as I'm not proud of it, I slept at 5 in the morning. मतलब this morning I slept at 5. So now there'll be no breakfast. There'll only be lunch. It's 2 o'clock. So I'm going to figure out some dal chawal, some boiled egg. If there's some chicken, I'll eat that. That's pretty much my lunch. I like eating rice for lunch. Some brown rice for lunch. That's pretty much dal, chawal, chicken, maybe some raita or some curd. That's it. Because I'm trying to not order food from outside as much as I can. Sometimes it does get difficult, but as much as I can, I'm trying to avoid it. So इसीलिए दाल चावल is best. दाल चावल का खिचड़ी भी बना सकते हो आप, दाल चावल भी खा सकते हो. Best.
What your cheat meal comprises of?
I can cheat when it comes to a meal यार. मैं बहुत खा सकता हूँ. If you have to understand that I come from a family that's been in the food industry for the last 45 years. So food for me is heaven. I can eat मतलब, और मेरा ना ऐसा है कि मैं वो अनहेल्थ मतलब एकदम ऑयली रिच इंडियन फूड भी खा सकता हूँ. I love Indian food. I think it's the best cuisine in the world. हमारे मसालों जैसा कुछ नहीं है दुनिया में. And I can also do a lot. I love burgers. So I can do 10 burgers in a day. If somebody told me you will not put on weight and your body will not go out of shape if you eat burgers, I'll only eat burgers for life.
Okay. And what about sweets? Do you have a sweet tooth?
मेरी स्वीट्स में एक ही वीकनेस है, और वो मेरी फेवरेट डिजर्ट भी है और मेरी सबसे बुरी डिजर्ट भी लग सकती है मुझे. I only eat gulab jamun. But if the gulab jamun has a pista in the middle, it is the worst dessert in the world. But if it doesn't have the pista in the middle, it's the best dessert according to me. That pista is the thing that ruins the gulab jamun. And I'm not much of a English dessert person. मैं थोड़ा हिंदुस्तानी है इस मामले में. मुझे गुलाब जामुन बहुत पसंद है, but without the pista.
बेसन का लड्डू?
Okay, खा लूंगा, but it's not like I'm a massive fan. नहीं, मना कुछ नहीं करता मैं बस फेवरेट बता रहा हूँ. खा तो मैं काजू कतली भी लेता हूँ और मोतीचूर के लड्डू भी लेता हूँ, कलाकंद भी खा लेता हूँ, बट जो मेरा एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट है वो गुलाब जामुन.
And what's your favorite dish?
बिरयानी.
दाल चावल.
Mutton biryani is the best. Mutton biryani. I can eat it every day of my life. Only if my mother makes it. But अपने को बहुत पसंद है बिरयानी.
And your favorite fruit?
I'm confused between a watermelon and a mango. I'm confused. Sometimes I feel very. I feel like watermelon is such a lovely fruit. मतलब it makes you feel light. But जो आम की मिठास है वो किसी में नहीं है. तो मैं confused हो जाता हूँ. But इन दोनों में से ही है.
Have you eaten this season's mango?
अब भी खा रहा है मैं. अभी एक बहुत बड़ा कार्टन है मेरे घर पे. कल ही मैंने मैंगो मिल्क शेक बनाया. देखा मुझे आता है बनाना. मैंगो दूध बर्फ डाल के उसको मिक्सी में चला.
खाने के लिए बुलाइए.
Sorry?
Please invite us.
No, social distancing is very important, guys. सब अपने घर रहिए. मैं किसी को खाना नहीं खाने के लिए बुला रहा. आप अपने घर रहिए.
ठीक है. And what is the one snack that you eat in the night? That midnight craving that you get?
अभी ना मैं परसों जाके ना I filled up my groceries. I got all my groceries. तो जब मैं groceries ले रहा था तो वहाँ सुपरमार्केट में चॉकलेट्स थी. तो मैंने बहुत सारी चॉकलेट्स ली. अब रोज रात को पता है मैं क्या करता हूँ. अब if I have to wake up to go to the restroom or something, I wake up, I go to the restroom, I come back while going back to my room.
Take a bite and go.
फ्रिज खोल के मतलब मेरे कमरे में बाथरूम है. बट मैं उधर नहीं जाता हूँ. मैं जो किचन के अपना जो गेस्ट टॉयलेट है उधर जाता हूँ अपने बेडरूम से उठ के. सो दैट ऑन माई वे बैक कि मैं 2 पीस चॉकलेट के उठा लूँ. सो चॉकलेट मैं आजकल खा रहा हूँ. ये है थोड़ा रात का स्नैक का आइटम जो मैं खा रहा हूँ.
So how much do you work out in a day? How much time do you work out?
About 40 minutes, half an hour, sometimes half an hour, 45 minutes, because that's all you can do at home. And मतलब मुझे कोई बॉडी बिल्डर थोड़ी बनना है एक्सरसाइज करके. I just want to stay fit. So I think all you need is about 30 to 40 minutes in a day. And I think in today's time, for people who are at home and locked up and stuff, this is the only time you will find time for yourself. Once your life restarts, once you get into the hustle bustle of what you do and your profession, you won't find time for this. Because कितनी बार होता है ना, आपने कितने दोस्तों को सुना होगा अपने बोल के कि यार मंडे से मैं जिम जाऊंगा, मंडे से मैं वर्कआउट शुरू करूंगा, और वो मंडे कभी नहीं आता. बट आपके सारे आपकी लाइफ के मंडेज ही हैं यार. अब आप घर पे बैठे हो तो आधा घंटा तो 40 मिनट तो आप निकाल सकते हो. So I work out for about 30-40 minutes. And yeah, I try and eat healthy as much as I can in the day. But रात को कभी-कभी थोड़ा अटरम शटरम खा लेता हूँ. But I feel like it's also important to eat some अटरम शटरम यार. वरना बंदा ना एक he could go into a different zone that he shouldn't. Because life right now feels a little stagnant, right? For a lot of people, including myself. So it is always important to feed yourself something nice, which makes you a little happy. So that's what I do.
Right. So one last tip that you want to give to your fans, or you want to say something to your fans.
देखो टिप्स चाहिए तो रमेश तोरानी के पास जाओ, कंपनी उनकी है. But मुझे बस ये कहना है यार सबको, to be really honest, take it easy guys. मतलब I know it is a stressful time. But let's be calm with one another. Let's be patient with one another. What you are facing, I am facing the same thing. Nobody, ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो इस चीज से affected नहीं है. Like I said, this is the only time where all of us are actors, are at the same level. All of us are out of work. All the businesses are getting affected. So it is a time where we empathize with other people rather than getting angry or aggressive with one another. So calm down. This too shall pass. Take care of your loved ones and just keep sanitizing your hands. Yeah, there's no other way out.
Great. Thank you so much for having a conversation with us.
Thank you for waking me up in the morning. Late morning.
Thank you. Sure. So I will see you when you're doing the promotions of 83.
Hopefully
soon.
Inshallah.
Hopefully soon. Wishing you all the very best. Take care.
Shabak hai. Bye. See you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys for joining us, and please stay tuned to Box Office India. If you have missed this live session with Sakib, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. That's Box Office India Magazine. You can find all our videos out there. You can also send in your requests, who you want us to interview next on Insta Live. And do let us know on our Instagram page as well as on our YouTube channel. We would love to come back with your requests, and hope to see you all soon. But till then, stay safe, stay at home. I'll see you all soon.
है।